So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to convert this AutoCAD file, which is a DWG file, into a PDF file. So this is a very simple process and you can directly do it in AutoCAD itself. You just have to write the command plot, which is PLOT, or the shortcut of is Control plus P. So you just have to do is that Control plus P, then you just have to it up that what you want to do. So for now we want to have an AutoCAD PDF which is in high quality print, and specify the size of paper that you are going to use. Always, if you are printing a file, then always use an ISO full bleed. So for this I'm using is A3 size, which, and then select window over here, window, and let's say I want to send this design to clients. So I will just select this part of the drawing, and then fit to paper, this apply to layout, and just check that you want to assign a CETB file to it. Plot in background, everything is okay. Plot transparency, always click on this thing of plot transparency, because many times if you do a hatch or something like that, then it will come out nicely. And then just press OK, and specify the place that you want to save with, and enter a name, let's say residential 1, and just press save, and that's it. In just 1 second your plot will be ready, and here it is, the PDF file of your plot. So this is how simple you can create a DWG file into into a PDF file in AutoCAD. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.